What are your plans for this weekend? This trip away on 4 wheels on the road, we're going to spend day one driving up north from Brisbane. We're going to check out the drive to Kondalilla Falls, then out to Lake Baroon. Then we're going to spend the evening at Melaney and get up bright and early the next morning and head off to Noosa and have a big day of mountain biking. So let's go check it out. First up this morning, we're headed up from Brisbane through Landsborough, driving through Melaney and then on past Montville to Kondalilla Falls. It's a beautiful drive through Landsborough and Melaney. All the walks here at Kondalilla are really nice, and the path is a sealed path as well. It's a really beautiful area and the walks are just amazing. So here at Kondalilla Falls, there's a couple of different walks you can take. There's a 4.2 kilometre round trip walk. I've only just taken the short walk down to the swimming hole and the smaller falls, which is at the top. That walk itself is about 1.5 k either way, so it's pretty short, doesn't take very long. The plan will be to head from Kondalilla down to Baroon and then stop in at Melaney overnight, and then we'll head off to Parklands in the morning. If you're getting some value from this video and my channel, drop a like with the button below, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think our next outing should be. So we're just going to take the short drive now. It's about 15 minutes down the road to Lake Baroon. It's a little bit cold at present, so probably won't be kayaking today. Our main focus of this journey was just to have a couple of days away and check out some places and some sites and get some mountain biking done tomorrow. Alright, well here we are at Lake Baroon. Let's check it out. As I mentioned, I've had quite a few requests of late from people wanting to see a few more different places for kayaking and just lakes in general. This day use area here at Lake Baroon is just fantastic. So there's a great little area here. You've got barbecues, heaps of covered tables, and this is all set right here, right on the water, which is fantastic. Okay, well that's going to wrap things up from here at Lake Baroon. We've just stopped here for some lunch and just relaxed here for the afternoon, enjoying the water and the scenery. And now we're going to drive on down to Melaney, stop at the showgrounds there for the night, and get up fresh in the morning for a big day of mountain biking. Well, good afternoon. It's day 2. We're here at Parklands Trails. This place is fantastic. Definitely worth checking out if you're up the north coast. It's even worth coming for a drive up here to look at these trails. Trails are just amazing. There's some crazy wood bridges, some really high level stuff, but also some really easy stuff as well. So there's a lot for everybody on offer. If you're not a high level rider, there's some easy trails here as well. It's a really beautiful area. The trails are pretty long. There's quite a few of them. I've just covered 15k in the last hour, and I've only been up and down one of the trails. So it's definitely worth coming up here a few times to check out the whole place. Something I'm going to have to do. This is the second time only I've been here. First time it was raining, so I really didn't get to check it out all that much at all. But definitely a place I'd recommend. Parklands mountain bike trails here, definitely a place I'd recommend. Worth the drive up here just to come and check out the trails. Come and check it out. Alright, well that concludes our 2 days away. If you're getting some value from the channel, don't forget to drop a like with the button below, and most importantly subscribe and share the channel so that we can share more of this beautiful country of ours with more people. Going on there, Fluffy. Fluffy, what are you doing, buddy? What's going on? You are a fruit loop, mate.